What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here, and once again at Bombshells. This video always goes really well. You always seem to like these videos. There's always some really cool stuff out here, and without further ado, let's get to the show. Leave a comment down below. What's your favorite cars in the video today? And let me know what you'd like to see more on the channel, guys. Enjoy the video. Yes, big thumbs up here for the purple drag pack on this VP supercharged Mustang. We got that boy 5-point taco here. We got the RX-7. Yes, sir. But a twin turbo Huracan here. Swing is really nice. Twin turbo Huracan, another one. Got double trouble over there. Odd flex, but okay. Hey! Yeah! This puppy's got a pretty sweet ride. Hello. Oh. Ooh, something tells me you're hiding some goodies under the hood, sir. So we got the two twin turbo Huracans here. I think this one's a 1,000 horsepower build, and I want to say this one's 1250, but I'm not sure. I don't know, but I like the black one better. We got Army. They're calling in the Army on the car meet.
Yes.
Mike says that's a Black Hawk, but I don't know my helicopters.
Yeah, that's a Black Hawk. A UH-60 Black Hawk.
They're calling in the Army to shut it down. We got some LS9 goodness for y'all. I want this so bad, but I am a poor boy, and I can only afford like -2 of this. So LS9 -2. I mean LS7. I don't know. Got a clean little Fox body here. So we got all the Skyline GTR boys. We got the actual GTR. We got the 4-door GTST. I don't know. Don't correct me on that if I'm wrong. I'm always down to learn something new. And we got the R32. Look at those dogs.
I know it's not.
Yes, sir. It's some bald eagles right there. body Hellcat with all sorts of underglow. Look at this. Oh no! No, not another one! Oh my god, every time I come here it's the same clickbait every time.
Oh, he ripped it off.
No! Every time, dude, every time. It's a Mustang every time. What the heck? There we go, a man that knows how to drive. Not bad. Oh no. So this wide body Hellcat here with all these lights on it's actually a red eye. Intriguing, to say the least. We got another Huracan. Ferrari. You're out of place. Yes, sir. All the torque. They have sent us away. We got some crazy cars that pulled up while we were over there getting the exits. This crazy 6-gen, this boosted pink Mustang GTR. Yo, what's up? The twin turbo Lambos are rolling out.